Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we have something truly remarkable to share with you. The Creality Falcon 22-watt laser engraver. This incredible machine is packed with cutting-edge technology and the features that will take your creation to the next level. Let's dive right in. Worried about the assembly process? Fear not. The Falcon 2 requires only 3 simple steps to set up, making it perfect for beginners. Within no time, you will be ready to dive into the world of laser engraving and unleash your creativity. Let me show you how. First, let me show you what I got in my package. A quick user guide, an operation guide, a rotary roller quick guide, some stickers, a package of materials, multi-stage focusing strip with USB Type-C cable and a brush, a power cable, a laser model, a safety goggle, an air assist pump, a power block, a small storage box, razors, connection cable for rotary attachment, four legs, a rotary roller, a honeycomb base, a stainless steel base, and finally the machine frame. with 4 6-watt laser diodes that are compressed using FAC spot compression technology. This means you can get an overall power of 22 watt, allowing you to handle a wide range of engraving and cutting tasks with ease. One standout feature of Falcon 2 is its impressive engraving speed. With 2 times faster engraving speed than its previous model, this machine can achieve speeds up to 25,000 mm per minute. That means you can produce more in less time, giving you a higher productivity and more time to enjoy your creations. Another groundbreaking feature is the integrated air assist system. You have full control over the airflow, whether you want to manually adjust it using the knob or let Lightburn software automatically adjust it for you. This helps remove smoke and protect the laser lens, resulting in cleaner and more precise engravings. And speaking of engravings, the Falcon 2 brings a whole new level of creativity to your projects. When the laser beam interacts with stainless steel, the metal surface physically reacts and produces hundreds of colors. This adds a stunning and vibrant touch to your works, making them truly stand out. Positioning and adjusting your design is made easier with Falcon 2 offline dynamic preview feature. You can fine-tune the position by short pressing to adjust 1 mm or long pressing to adjust 10 mm per second. This precise control ensures that your engravings are exactly where you want them to be. The Falcon 2 is built to deliver outstanding motion stability. Its full aluminum alloy structure provides a solid foundation, while the integrated sliding rail keeps the machine running smoothly and synchronized. The U-shaped wear-resistant wheels add even more stability to the motion, ensuring precise and accurate engravings. Safety is a top priority for Creality Falcon 2. It comes with 5 safety protections to give you peace of mind during the operations. First, there is an emergency stop button that allows you to halt the machine immediately if needed. The security lock ensures that only authorized users can operate the machine. The bidirectional limit switch automatically stops the machine and sounds an alarm if the laser head reached its boundary, preventing any accidental damage. And to protect your eyes, the Falcon 2 comes with a laser protective cover made of high-efficiency colored filter glass material. The Falcon 2 also features a triple monitoring system that keeps track of your airflow, lens cleanliness, and fire. If a flame is detected, the machine will stop immediately and you will receive an alarm. This ensures the safety of both the machine and your surroundings. Now let's see Creality Falcon 2 22-watt laser engraver and cutter in action. conclusion, the Creality Falcon2 22-watt laser engraver and cutter is a powerhouse of a machine that offers incredible features and exceptional performance. With its high-speed engraving, integrated air assist, and vibrant color engravings, it's perfect for unleashing your creativity. Plus, the safety features and sturdy design ensure a smooth and secure operation. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Creality Falcon 2. Thanks for watching. The links for the product is in the description. Happy engraving!